Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2015 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. We've got a silver exterior with a black interior. A nice wood grain accent trim as well. Sunroof. We have heated seats for both driver and passenger, and memory seats here on the driver's side. See the controls here, driver door controls. This vehicle also has the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Steering wheel. Driver's seat with lumbar support. And taking a look at our rear seats. And more of that accent trim and the Burmester sound system. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And coming around to the back, we've got our C300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. Trunk. And let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage is currently at 87,255. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz display. Currently showing navigation, radio, and you can control the display using the command module right down here. Make adjustments here with the dial or with the touchpad. Here we have our climate control, cup holder, as well as a cigarette lighter, and our Mercedes-Benz shifter. And if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.